AI makes it easier than ever to earn money on social media by helping you create high quality content quickly. You can generate posts, captions, visuals, and even full videos with AI tools to grow your online presence. AI also analyzes trends and audience behavior so you know exactly what type of content performs best. This boosts engagement and helps your accounts grow faster on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You can monetize through ads, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital partnership. AI lets you produce ebooks, templates, and courses much faster than doing everything manually. You can also offer content creation or social media services powered by AI to clients. The key is staying consistent, creative, and using AI to work smarter, not harder. Combining human personality with AI efficiency gives you a big advantage online. With the right strategy, AI can turn your social media presence into a real source of income. Subscribe and lick.